Hello, my name is Nia and I'm part of the admin and fundraising team at TIC Plus. We wanted to thank you for your prayerful and also your financial support as a church, and also to update you a little bit on some of the new developments going on in the charity. Back in early March, as the threat of COVID-19 was just intensifying, TIC put out an appeal for digital devices. We were overwhelmed by the response, mainly from local churches county-wide. Over £6,000 was raised and lots of laptops, phones and other digital devices were purchased and provided to TIC staff and TIC counsellors, enabling them to work remotely and to continue supporting the vulnerable young people that are in our care. Thank you so much for being part of making that possible. Now, since then, the counselling has indeed continued, but now there's more options than ever before as to how the young people can receive that support. In April, TIC delivered 453 online text chat counselling sessions, 493 video counselling sessions, 318 telephone counselling sessions, and all of these numbers are up roughly 15% on April of 2019. COVID-19 is having an effect on everyone's daily lives, and especially so for children and young people. Some will react right away, while others may show signs of difficulty later on. The lack of meeting friends, as well as worried about their family's health, pressures on the household income, school closures, and a lack of routine are all contributing to children and young people's worries. In response to this, TIC has launched TIC Chat, a new anonymous online and telephone support service. It's been commissioned by the Gloucestershire County Council and the NHS Clinical Commissioning Group. TIC Chat is now filling a massive gap as so many services are having to hit the pause button due to COVID-19. So the needs of children and young people who require early access to mental health support can still be met, and urgently, through TIC Chat. So will you continue to pray for us? Pray for each young person who contact us. On average, that's about 15 every day, each with their own story and journey and hardship. Please pray for them. God knows their name, their date of birth, their hair colour, even how many hairs are on their head. Pray that He would draw ever so close to each and every one of them in the midst of their struggles. Pray for the 93 TIC counsellors across the county who get alongside these young people and support them. For many, they're the only listening ear that their world has right now. Pray for the new TIC Chat, the anonymous drop-in service. For those manning the phones, for those taking the calls, listening to heart-rending story after heart-rending story. Pray that TIC Chat would continue to be a lifeline in the months and the years ahead. Pray for the trustees and the management team of TIC. It sounds so boring, but it's crucial that God would pour out just bucket loads of wisdom and foresight on them as they plan and direct the work of the charity. Pray for finances. Pray that the God who owns the cattle on 1,000 hills will continue to provide in amazing ways, and indeed immeasurably more than we would ever ask or imagine. So thank you. Thank you for partnering with us, for caring enough to give, and for having God's heart for those who are broken in spirit. Because together we can shine the light and the love of Christ into the lives of the young people in Gloucestershire. God bless you.